This massive, sustainable farm is where the journey of luxury crocodile skin begins, blending vast scale.
Simulating a stress-free natural habitat is the single most important factor in producing flawless crocodile skin, as stress causes dull scales.
We collect eggs immediately to protect them, as the temperature determines the sex of the hatchling. Even at this stage, the unique pattern of the crocodile skin is already formed and must be protected from day one.
Clean, flowing water prevents bacteria from attacking the soft belly scales of the crocodile skin, ensuring a pristine grade.
The diet is strictly controlled with calcium supplements to ensure the osteoid or bones in the skin develop correctly, making the crocodile skin strong yet flexible. Crocodiles are solitary and aggressive. We prevent overcrowding to stop them fighting and biting, which leaves permanent scars on the valuable skin.
While the back offers this incredible texture, it's the smooth belly skin that fashion houses prefer for luxury handbags. They check for fungal infections, which can eat away at the crocodile skin patterns, rendering the hide useless for luxury markets.
Once the saltwater crocodile reaches the perfect size of 1.5 meters, it is ready for the next stage of harvesting the crocodile skin.
The takeoff is a surgical procedure. One slip of the hand can ruin a high-value piece of crocodile skin.
We must immediately remove blood and enzymes to stop decomposition, which would loosen the scales from the dermis.
We look for these buttons or osteoderms that might break the needles later. We assess the initial quality by checking the transparency here.
I am shaving off the remaining fat and meat from the underside so the salt can penetrate the crocodile skin fully. A perfectly fleshed skin ensures the tanning chemicals will be absorbed evenly across the entire surface. We use a specific grain size to draw moisture out of the crocodile skin through osmosis, preserving it for transport.
Folding this way, with the scales exposed, will cause irreparable cracking. The correct method is an intricate origami.
Temperature control is vital, as heat can reactivate bacteria that destroy the collagen structure of the crocodile skin.
The beam house is where the raw crocodile skin is chemically stripped and prepared for tanning. This soaking process is essential. It removes the salt and returns the skin to its natural moisture levels before we begin tanning. This high pH chemical attacks the hair roots and opens up the fiber bundles of the crocodile skin so it can absorb tanning agents.
The mechanical action of the drum helps the chemicals penetrate the dense armor of the crocodile skin.
The crocodile skin is now in a plump state, and the scales have been chemically loosened to allow for cleaning. I am manually removing the pigmented layer and leftover epidermis from the crocodile skin to ensure a clean, uniform color later. They add ammonium salts to lower the pH, neutralizing the lime so the crocodile skin does not become brittle and crack during tanning. These enzymes digest specific proteins in the crocodile skin to make it soft and pliable, otherwise the leather would be as hard as wood. This turns the crocodile skin acidic, which is necessary for the chrome tanning agent to bond. The timing must be perfect.
The crocodile skin is now perfectly balanced and ready for the irreversible tanning stage.
This chromium sulfate is what turns the biodegradable crocodile skin into non-perishable leather. The chemical bonding process, where the chrome locks the collagen fibers of the crocodile skin together permanently. This skin is now completely heat resistant and incredibly durable. At this stage, it is technically considered real leather. They must remove the water under high pressure to flatten the crocodile skin and prepare it for precise grading. In the wet blue state, natural scars on the crocodile skin are most visible, allowing us to sort skins into grade 1, 2, or 3.
This single flaw drops the value of the crocodile skin by 50%.
Crocodile skin varies in thickness, so we must split it to a uniform millimeter for use in delicate handbags. This is precision engineering. I am shaving down the osteoderm roots from the back so the crocodile skin becomes flexible enough to bend without breaking. The fiber weave of crocodile skin is much tighter than cow leather, giving it superior strength.
The crocodile skin needs to rest for 48 hours to allow the chrome to fixate completely before they can dye it.
Fashion houses demand exact shades, and crocodile skin is difficult to dye because the scales are so dense. They use hot water to open the pores of the crocodile skin, allowing the pigment to drive deep into the scales.
This step fills the empty spaces between fibers, giving the crocodile skin its final body and roundness.
Without this oil, the crocodile skin would dry hard, but the fat liquor lubricates the fibers so they slide over each other, creating softness.
Look at this cross-section. The dye has penetrated completely through the skin, not just the surface.
The color is now completely permanent and won't fade. Just look at the richness of the hue on these scales.
So what the setting machine does is press the wet skin. This smooths out the grain of the crocodile skin completely before it dries.
Drying under a vacuum at low heat prevents the crocodile skin from shrinking and losing its size.
After drying, the leather is crusty and stiff. It needs mechanical action like this to become soft again.
Look how soft this crocodile skin is after staking. It drapes just like silk fabric now.
They apply a base coat of protein binder to the crocodile skin to help the final polish stick.
The layer must be microscopic so it does not look like plastic, and the natural grain of the crocodile skin must remain visible.
This is the most dangerous and skilled step. You have to maintain the rhythm perfectly.
The polishing head is made of solid agate crystal, and the friction burns a shine onto the crocodile skin without using varnish.
I must regulate the pressure using the foot pedal perfectly, otherwise the gloss won't set correctly.
We use the wool buffing wheel because for the men's collections, we prefer a subtle satin look on the crocodile skin. This rounds the scales, giving the crocodile skin a 3D, armored look that is highly prized.
I am checking for any defects that might have appeared during the mechanical finishing. The crocodile skin must be exactly 0.8 millimeters thick all over for use in wallet manufacturing. We are checking the temper or stiffness, ensuring the crocodile skin is not too floppy or too body. Crocodile skin is sold by the centimeter width of the belly, not by weight, so accurate measurement is money. There is a tiny pinhole right here on the tail. The cutter must avoid this spot.
Unlike patent leather, the shine you see on crocodile skin comes from deep within the structure itself.
The glossy surfaces of the crocodile skin can stick to each other in humid conditions, so they must be separated. Careful packaging.
They never fold finished crocodile skin, as the glaze would crack. It must always be rolled.
Every crocodile skin is tracked legally to ensure it comes from sustainable farms, not the wild. This ensures regulatory documentation.
The symmetry and the polish are absolutely flawless. This is perfection.
The real challenge here is the pattern matching. We have to ensure the center of the bag aligns perfectly with the center scales for geometric precision. Once I cut this, there is no going back. This skin is extremely expensive.
We use this specific diamond-shaped needle because it cuts cleanly through the calcified scales of the crocodile skin without shattering them.
To fold the edges of the bag, the crocodile skin must be paper thin at the seams to avoid bulk. This seals the layers of the crocodile skin and gives the bag a finished look.
Sourced from the finest sustainable farms, the journey culminates in this exquisite piece, transforming raw beauty into a timeless object of desire.
Making crocodile leather is a collaboration between nature, science, and art.
a testament to the complexity and enduring value of genuine saltwater crocodile skin. Sophistication redefined.